So this is the main compartment. There is that 23mm lens that you saw it on the X-T4. That's my primary lens. My secondary lens is this Fujifilm 56mm f1.2. This is absolutely my favorite lens. I will never get rid of this unless they make a better lens, which could be potentially the 50 f1.0. But I feel like this is a much better lens because of size, and it's much more, I guess, user-friendly, I would say. And the images that come out of this lens are absolutely insane. The bokeh that it creates, especially when you have backlit or chandeliers or lights in the back, it's wild how much how the quality of the pictures you get out of this lens. And then I have my